Did you know that as part of HTI2, health IT vendors are required to provide a process for a feedback loop? So, a couple things to consider. If you have a health IT vendor and you have embedded AI, there should be a way for you as a healthcare organization to report back to that health IT vendor if inputs or outputs or function of a particular artificial intelligence is not correct, if it's not working as expected. That could include drift. It could include variables not seeming to be updated as they should. It could be broken code that is making that output or input not function correctly. So, a couple of things to consider. If you're thinking about a feedback loop from your general process of review, your quarterly review of things, and how you report back, hey, we did our review, everything looks okay, there's nothing to report here. That might be a kind of a standard thing. And you know how like daily logs of IT, of software, whether that be user logs or just daily logs of what happened in the system. You know how those kind of go unnoticed unless there's a problem. So it's not to say they're unnoticed, that your vendor's not paying attention. That is not what I mean. I'm just saying that those are just normal course of things that are being generated, so that if a problem does show up, you can kind of go back and look through the logs to see where something is. Well, if you have this feedback process in a quarterly review or whatever your frequency is, um, maybe if you don't identify anything, the vendor doesn't go back and look at that. So is that process going to be the same as if in clinical practice or financial or administrative practice, you find an error, an issue, or you're not certain your AI is functioning correctly? What is that feedback process? Is that the same? Do you go in through the same channel and document, write up what happened? Is this something you do from within the system? Is it kind of a form in the system? Or is there a process that is outside of the system where you reach out to account executive or IT support or whatever that is within that vendor? And either way is fine, as long as everyone in the organization can point back to the channel for reporting either quality review outputs, quality review results, or when an issue is identified. So either way, maybe both ways, right? Maybe you have both ways. The really the most important point is, can everyone in your organization point to the channel that allows them or allows your organization to report back an issue to your health IT vendor? AI Health Policy, brought to you by AirMap.